connecting molecular science, shaping the future of materials. From perception to resonance, from pursuit to discovery, from the chemistry we inherit to the sealing innovation we create. Ecopower New Materials. Let the world witness the power of Chinese sealing. Founded in 2012, Ecopower New Materials Co. Ltd. was born in the heart of China's silicon industry, Xingkou Industrial Zone, Yangzhou, Jiangxi, and have now grown into a modern enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, and sales, with a 35,000 square meters smart factory and an annual capacity of 21,000 tons. We are not only a manufacturing center, but also a source of continuous innovation. Quality is our solemn commitment to customers worldwide. Ecopower has passed ITF 16949 certification and obtained both ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certifications. All products comply with EU REACH regulations, and we are proud to be awarded the EcoVadis Silver Medal, demonstrating international excellence in sustainable procurement, carbon management, and labor rights. To maintain our technological edge, we have built a professional R&D team led by senior experts. In close collaboration with top universities, each year, 5% of our revenue is reinvested in innovation, equipped with advanced testing instruments for molecular level precision, and connected to the world's leading sealing technology resources. Thanks to this strong technical foundation, Ecopower products are widely applied in green tires and high-performance rubber, adhesives for smart electronic devices, sealing systems for new energy vehicles, eco-friendly coatings and industrial protection, special composite material manufacturing, and more. Yet we know that true innovation lies in helping our customers enhance performance, reduce cost, and win the market. That's why Ecopower offers not just products, but complete and reliable solutions. With professionalism and dedication, we create lasting value for every customer, achieving growth, excellence, and partnership. Looking ahead, let's explore together. How can material innovation enhance product competitiveness? How can we upgrade sustainably under evolving environmental regulations? And how can supply chains be optimized for higher efficiency and lower cost?
爱科普新材料，让材料更有价值，让制造更具智慧。
We look forward to joining hands with you to write a new chapter in the world of advanced materials.